I've had a little bit of a mishap and I've managed to jam my thumb and it's got blood trapped under the thumbnail and that bastard is throbbing. The way to remove it, the pain that is to let the pressure out. So I'm going to burn a little hole in the thumbnail with a bit of hot make wire just to let the pressure out. There's no feeling in your thumbnail. It tends to hurt when you break, so if you're not careful. And I'm going to warm a bit of wire up, poke a hole in there, and then that should alleviate the nasty throbbing sensation. Right, we've got a bit of 16th gas welding water out here. Ah! Bastard! Not quite through, but nearly. Ah! That's it. That's all the badness coming out, that's the pain let out. And all I do now is a little drop of super glue in there and that'll be alright. Instant relief. Instant relief. I mean, the welding wire is not sterile, but when it's glued red hot, there's not much going to live on it, is there? All the nasty blood comes out, along with all the nasty pain. That's it. Job done. I've done this loads of times, but to other people, it's different doing it yourself. You can do it with a little cobra, a jet drill as well, just twiddle between your fingers, but that's good. That's just instant relief. Brilliant.